Hi pilots! If you own a Bell 206 helicopter from RC era and you try to increase the main rotor pitch value in order to decrease the main rotor head speed, and in a case that you increase the main rotor pitch value too high to the point that your helicopter doesn't fly anymore, you probably want to restore the stock pitch value. But I know, because I got a lot of comments of you guys that don't know how to restore the value back to the stock one. So I'm making this video in order to show you how to do this. So what you have to do, you have to place your helicopter like this, and then you have to move the two rotor blades to the right side of the helicopter, okay? Like this, you see? You have to do this like this, and next you have to turn on the radio and then the helicopter. Now, you have to bind the radio to the helicopter. Now, in my case, I intentionally increased the main rotor pitch value to the maximum. Because, you see, in this case, the helicopter won't fly because the pitch value of the two rotor blades is too high. Even though that the left stick is at the center, you can see that the pitch value is too high already. So the helicopter won't fly in this case. Now, if you have this situation, how to restore the main rotor head pitch value back to the stock one? It won't be exactly the stock one, but approximately. So, how to approach this? What you have to do in this case, you have to use this trimmer, you have to push it down until you see this light blinking, and you also heard a beep, okay? At this point, you have to decrease the main rotor pitch value, and you decrease the main rotor pitch value like this. You have to push this trimmer to the right side, and you see these two blades will slowly come together. Now, you don't want to overdo this, because when these two rotor blades so this is minimum. Now we have reached the minimum pitch value, okay? But this pitch value, when those blades are leveled, is too low. What we want to achieve is the main rotor pitch value to be approximately like this. Okay? Let's say about 12 millimeters. It can be a little bit higher, let's say about 15 millimeters. The greater that is gap between the blades in this position will be, the lower will be the head speed when helicopter will be flying. So if you achieve approximately 12 millimeters of distance between these two blades, you can now store this value by pushing this trimmer down. And now the light doesn't blink anymore. That means that this value, this pitch value, is stored in the flight controller of your helicopter. Okay, now I will show you that at this point the helicopter should fly normally. Okay, so let's see if it does. Let's try like this. You see, it flies. You see? So now, because we stored the pitch value in the helicopter, it should be stored even after we change the battery. So let's see. I will bind the helicopter again and I will take a short flight. You see, it flies. So guys, this is it. I hope that this video will help you to restore the stock pitch value, or at least, approximately the stock value. That is the value that the helicopter will fly quite good. Okay guys, have a nice day, bye.